Natural gas attempts to grind higher. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The natural gas market initially did try to grind a bit during the early part of Monday to the upside, but it looks like we're continuing to struggle right about where you would expect us to at the 50-day EMA. It is a little cooler in the United States at the moment, but it's also going to get warmer next week. So, like I've been saying, I still expect another drop lower. The question at this point, really, I think, is can we get down to $2.50? I think that's still an open question, but I do think we're going to lean towards that direction. I also recognize that we are getting late in the summertime and we are jumping into autumn here fairly soon in a couple weeks. And while autumn itself isn't necessarily a major time of year to burn a lot of nat gas, you can see that the market will switch over to the October contract on the 26th of September. And it's about then that we start the process of thinking about going higher, typically. Weather dependent, of course. October can be very hot at times, but then you get November and people start to turn their heating systems on and run them for the next 3 or 4 months, typically. So, with that being the case, I think you've got a situation where we probably got one more dip, and then what I'll really be looking for at that point in time, and probably on the weekly time frame, is some type of bottoming pattern that I can trade in order to play the winter bounce, which could be quite significant this year as the Europeans are looking to buy $250 billion worth of energy from the United States in the next year. One would assume that a significant portion of that will be natural gas, although I don't know that the details for that have been released. And therefore, it should just add a little more fuel to the fire, if you will, for this winter rally. But I think we're still a little bit early. My name's Chris. I work for FXEmpire. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.